It's the Action for Peacekeeping, A4P, declaration unites us in the common endeavor to enhance peacekeepers' safety. Though A4P, member states have committed to proactive measures to address the rise in peacekeepers' fatalities and ensure their well-being. In this regard, it is crucial that capacity building takes center stage in order to guarantee that peacekeepers are prepared for the complex challenges confronting them. Legal framework and adequate accountability mechanisms are paramount for peacekeepers' safety. We must stand firm in holding accountable the perpetrators, individuals, and groups that harm or threaten UN peacekeepers. Medical care for peacekeepers is also essential. Our peacekeepers deserve the best care, including mental health support, standardized training, first aid provisions, and enhanced medical facilities, which are crucial for their well-being. Addressing challenges including language barriers and administrative obstacles should be one of the top priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, the specter of threat posed by improvised explosive devices, IEDs, to peacekeeper security needs a commensurate response. We must intensify pre-deployment training, equip our peacekeepers with cutting-edge technology, and augment their capabilities for countering the IED threats. Amid the evolving landscape of UN peacekeeping, we stand at a crucial juncture where new trends and shifts are reshaping our approach. While the core principles of UN peacekeeping remain the same, we are witnessing a transition from traditional peacekeeping towards a more holistic peace-building approach. We have witnessed this transition in several peacekeeping missions where peacekeepers not only work to prevent conflict and protect civilians, but also engage in capacity building, institution strengthening, and supporting political processes to lay the foundation for lasting peace. In our commitment to UN peacekeeping, it is imperative that we recognize the need for adaptability and diversification. While Pakistan is proudly contributing over 4,000 troops to various ongoing peacekeeping missions, we must also turn our attention